Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you or yes, show you the HB tutorial smart PIDs that use for PC dial. So this smart PID portal that can helps to is a intelligent DID and outbound caller ID management solution designed for PC dial or any asterisk dialer that you need to manage your local presence from your uh, leads. Okay, so what are the features to able to get and possible increasing the answer rate and connectivity for your call center, especially if you are dialing multiple states. So you need to have like 10 to 30,000 DIDs to manage on your digital server. But this smart DID solution, so just you need to get the better area codes from your leads, and it will match exactly the local presence, overlay, or the nearest states of those DI leads. So this smart DID gives the smarter color ID selection, local presence dialing, automated DID rotation, better DID utilization, centralized DID management, and so DID performance monitoring. So mostly, as you can see, this is our dashboard. So as you can see, we have here a 503 report means all these area code here you don't have in your list of the IDs. So much better. So as you can see, was listed what area code you need to get from your VoIP provider. For example, this 860, from this day, you already made 389 calls. So for those 389 calls, so the call will not getting passed through because that you don't have any DIDs or any nearest area or state for those. So that show that show error on our smart DID. So for those he said you need at least 91 area codes for you need to buy. At least you have one, or for this one 380 made calls a day. So at least you have like 5 to 10, 5 or 10 DIDs better. Okay. So as you can see, it will show an error over here. So it means this call will give the call will go automatically to error 503 error. Okay, and then we go back to our dashboard. As you can see here also, you will see your top area code you're dialing every day. So you can select here yesterday and want to refresh for every 60 seconds. So I just show you how. For this one, 303, you dialing 20,000 number. So it means you need a lot of number you need a lot of PIDs for 303 area codes and also 641. And on the logs, you will see also on the log the it means exact. So it means exact area code. And this one is near state. So it means beside on the state. They have this one overlay. So 540, your DID is uh, 346 and the overlay is 832. So it's correct 57170. Okay, so and then uh, uh you will get a DID usage report. Okay, so from DID usage report, uh how many times use? Okay, 530. Yeah, sorry, on 530. That's good. So these clients really need to add more DIDs because these clients only have 3,000 DIDs. But for their dialing, at least they have 10,000. Much better. Okay. So, yeah, see, really, really need more DIDs. So about the performance, I think performance not loaded. About this. Okay, so this is how. So at least you know how this product works when you want to try to use on your call center, especially if you are using BG dial, dialing multiple states or cities. So this one, real deal for your BG dial to manage your local presence on your every each call. Okay, so once again, this is HBT tutorial, setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a nice day.